Have you ever wondered how games are made? If you have, then you are in the right place. So, games are made by using game engines. Some of the examples of game engines are Unity, Unreal Engine, GDevelop, etc. Every single game engine have their own likes and dislikes, ups and downs. But today we are only going to use Unity, one of the most user-friendly game engines. Now, game engines require coding skills, but everyone does not have that. So for that, I am introducing to you Bolt, Unity's visual scripting solution. So we are going to code only with that. It's pretty simple and pretty user friendly. So for getting started, click the link in the description to get here. In here, click on Open in Unity and then click there. And after that, it will open something like that in Unity's package manager. In here, first click on download and then click on import. Then and there you will find these things which are going to get imported with it. So click import. Just wait for a bit of time, and yeah, after it downloaded, it will open something like this. Welcome to Bolt Visual Scripting. First start off by clicking on next. In the next, you can choose human naming or programming naming. Both are pretty easy. If you're a non-programmer, I'll still go with programming naming, but still I'm going with human naming. So after choosing that, you need to add some assembly options. For now, these are good. Variables. For now, these are good. I'm not going to add anymore. Then just click on generate over here. And yeah, the generating is now complete. So click on close. Now back to your scene. Now in the windows, you will find three new buttons: graph, graph inspector, and variables. So first take out your graph, drag it anywhere in the scene you want. I'm going to place it right over here. So now in the scene, we are going to create empty game object. So after you created that, now simple thing, instead of typing anything, you scroll down and in the bold, go in the bold and you will find these four things. Variables are not required to be added, they will be added automatically. And then in bold there are two types of machines. First flow machine and then state machine. Flow machines are for coding like something simple, but state machines are for coding like AI which has so many states. For now we are going with flow machines. Now in the flow machines you will get in the sources there will be two sources, macro and embedded. Making it macro, that means it will save in our project, that we can access it through a, like we can also place the macro files in a in other objects, but embedded will only stay in there. For now I'm going with embedded. Now I can give your graph a title or a summary. See if the variables is not automatically added. Now I can take a look. When I just create graph, it automatically opens here. So in here we have two options: start event and update. Start event only occurs when you start the game, like when your object just recently added to the game. So now wherever you can drag those ends, wherever you drop it, it will at this icon which will load and you can do anything with that. So for now, I'm just going to do debug.log. What debug.log is? Debug.log is one of the most basic codes of Unity. There is a console and going in the debug.log it will type something what you type in there. Now in the debug.log you will find confirm message. This is where you need to type your message, drag it out. Now the messages can be a float, integer, string and boolean, and others will look later. Float are the numbers which will have points. Integers are the numbers which will not have points. String is a basic text and boolean are true and false. So for now I'm going with string. String type anything like hello world. So it will run just once if you connect it to the start. Remember, start only occurs once in the beginning of the game. Now if I click play, oops. Now take a look. I clicked play and it opened hello world. And he's saying from where it came. So it came from Unity Engine debug.log object, which was in our object. Also know that from. So now stop the play. Now if you go back to your graph and right click to cancel this connection and connect it through here, it even runs every single frame. So it means adding update to the game to the debug.log. It will make the debug repeat so many times. Right now, you can clear that and take a look how many times it repeats that. If you can't play, and then see it's continuously repeating those. If you don't want that, simply click on collapse and then it will show how many messages are came here right now. And yep, you're seeing plus increasing frame by frame. So this is it for this video. Now next video we will make a simple game and even go multiplayer with it.